The Doorricade is super easy to install. Just like that. I'm gonna show you how to easily turn any room into a safe room or a panic room, and it's gonna be extremely inexpensive. So you don't have to be a billionaire. You don't spend $100,000 on a panic room or anything like that. And just to prove to you that it works, this is a battering ram. And yes, you can buy battering rams online. You don't have to be a police department or anything like that. These things are heavy and they ain't cheap. So I'm gonna show you what I use for my wife and 7 kids, how I protect them when it comes to home defense. And so let me put the battering ram down, which we're gonna use momentarily, and show you what I do. Like I said, it's super simple because with 7 kids, I'm busy enough doing crazy enough stuff that I need life to be simple and things to be simple. This is the Doorricade. The Doorricade is super easy to install. All you do is on the side of your door right here, you drill in and you put this part. You can see the slot here where it goes in. On the other side of the store, you're doing the exact same thing. You just drill in, it goes right in the door. It is idiot proof. Next, you take your Doorricade, this bar right here, and you slide it in. Just like that. I'm gonna flip the tabs over. Now I'm good to go. This is a panic room, this is a safe room that is gonna keep an intruder from getting in there. That way you have plenty of time to protect your family, grab your gun, call 911, do whatever you're gonna do. Me, I'm grabbing my gun. So let's grab this battering ram now, and using my Herculean muscles that don't exist, see how much damage we can do with this Doorricade here. And I hate to do this because this is my actual door, this is my actual room, and this is like a nice door, and we're about to destroy it. But anyway, let's get down to business. All right, so the Doorricade is on the other side of the wall. You just saw me install it, how easy it was to put up. Now we're gonna start going to town on this door. We've got our battering ram right here, which we're gonna use in a moment. But let's say, criminals show up with different things. Let's use a crowbar, right? So what happens, and now here's a good thing. I can tell it's not going any further, but look it busted it in a bit. So you can see it created that gap. I wanna take another good swing with it. So what do I wanna add? Doesn't matter. So it's bouncing back, and I'm not getting in there, and I could tell if I hit this thing all day long, it's not going anywhere. But I did see, this is a quality door too. You can see I got some nice dents in there and everything, and I was gonna say, but I know that I know if I'm not getting it with that, all right. So same thing, and I'll pull the door more closed this time, besides my wonderful footprints. So most criminals we know are knuckleheads. They're gonna kick in the door just like that. That's how you see home invasions all over the news when some guy kicked in. We tested the crowbar. They're probably not gonna have a crowbar, but hey, you never know. But let's say you get really unlucky. You're having the world's worst day and you've got professional career criminals. They know you've got a safe full of whatever in your house, and they come prepared with a battering ram that, remember, you can buy online. So here we go. Let's see how the Doorricade holds up to this thing. So I'm gonna get in and I'm just gonna okay, it's getting the frame a bit. I'm getting that, but oh, I'm destroying my poor frame and I'm still not getting it. You gotta see this, man. Crap, look what I just did to my own house. So that is after several hits with the Doorricade on the back. You can see I totally trashed my frame, but I was not able to get in there. And again, that is gonna buy you a world of time so you can grab your gun, so you can call 911, whatever. Obviously, you don't just want a regular door where they can kick it in and be in your house in 60 seconds or less. You really wanna slow them down, which is what the Doorricade does, because I can't get in there and I just trash my house. If you want to get the Doorricade, which like I said, I recommend for home defense, click on the link below. Make sure and use Jason as your code. You'll save some money off. And using the Doorricade is a heck of a lot more affordable than getting a safe room. So again, get your Doorricade, go to the link below.